Hey everyone, let me start with a quick story. One of my colleagues recently had his hard drive crash, and all his important data, work files, personal documents, wedding photos was gone in an instant. Desperately, he contacted a data recovery company, but the cost more than 40,000. That's when it hit me how crucial backups are. Imagine losing everything in a snap. Scary, right? So let's see why backups matter. Backups are your safety net in this digital age. Let's break down why they are so important. Reason number 1, accident happens. A spilled coffee, a hardware failure, or even a virus can destroy years of data. It's not about if it happens, it's about when. Reason number 2, cybersecurity threats. Ransomware is on the rise. Hackers lock your files and demand payment. But with backup, you can simply restore your data and move on. Reason number 3, expensive recovery cost. As my colleague found out, data recovery services can cost a fortune. So why risk it when backups are a fraction of the cost or even free? Now let's talk about what you can do to avoid this kind of nightmare. Use the cloud. Services like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox automatically save your files online. They are super easy to set up and accessible from anywhere. Invest in external storage. Get an external hard drive or SSD. They are reliable and give you a physical copy of your data. Step 3. Automate it. Don't rely on your memory. Set up automatic backups to save yourself the hassle. For example, Windows and macOS have built-in backup tools like File History or Time Machine. Now, another thing is backup your backup. Sounds extra, right? But it's worth it. Keep one backup in the cloud and another one on a physical devices for double protection. So don't wait for a disaster to learn the hard way. Start backing up your data today. It's simple, affordable, and could save you from heartbreak and a massive bill like my colleagues. Remember, your data is valuable and losing it isn't worth the risk. Share this video with your friends and family because everyone needs a reminder to back up their digital lives. Stay safe and stay secure.